ఆకలి ఉంది. What's up guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope no we have one more word here. We are in Bangalore bro. What's up guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఇంగిదిరా if I'm not wrong. Kannadiga. Sugamanu, that is Malayalam. Ante antakane ekku ravu manaki. We're planning to visit Ducati. The 11-wheel scrambler. Might be Charan's bike soon if we get a test ride today. See, this is one thing I hate about Ducati. We're not getting test rides anywhere. Hopefully we should get one test ride here in Bangalore. Fingers crossed, if we get a good test ride today, most probably we'll pick one from Hyderabad. Second thing we're gonna do is go to the BMW Motorrad showroom. More than a test ride, I want to sit on it first. I want to sit and feel the height first. Also, previous video is almost uploaded. Just 20 minutes mein upload ho gaya. Good. Wi-Fi speed is amazing here in this hotel. Okay, apart from the biking stuff, we are also going to plan and go to the accessory store. It's a store called Moto Asher. I don't need anything, but Sharon might need something. I'm trying to get the Footpegs because Footpegs is bent. Are you replacing it with some third party? If we get something, at least you can see them, na?
Yeah, we can.
If you might like it, maybe you can order it later.
If it is not more than like 5,000 or something, I might just buy.
Yeah, because BMW parts are very expensive. I think third party ones makes more sense. After that, there is one more store called Veg Non-Veg store. It's not a food place. I like the name. It is a sneaker store.
So why veg, non-veg?
Shoes. So I'm interested in shoes. I might not buy, but at least I want to go and check it out.
Why veg, non-veg for a shoe?
Sounds good. That's enough. Charan, are you getting your helmet? Are you getting your tank bag? No. Today we have our own car. Sometimes it feels really comfortable having your car, especially when you want to travel in cities like this. Park it anywhere. By the way, yesterday I went to the gym for almost 2 hours. Trust me, this is one of the best gym I've seen in any of the star hotels in my life. In the hotels, equipment is good and it is huge.
How was the breakfast for you?
Breakfast was okay. Bangalore weather is always good. It is very close to Hyderabad. But proper summer mein it is at least 3-4 degrees less here compared to Hyderabad. Not more than 40.
It's 11:30 and 28. In Hyderabad it would be 32 something by now.
That's what 3-4 degrees will be higher in Hyderabad.
Bangalore used to be much cooler before even.
What I don't like about Bangalore's climate is it suddenly rains here. Mushy weather. Charan, first fall of the A7 S3 done.
Hey.
Proper fall. I went to get something, came back with my pannier box. Third. Manchi height nunchi, like a stool height.
And it's
fine. Feels so good to be in your car. Every time we come to other cities, we'll have to wait for cabs. Charan, let me introduce you to Bangalore traffic.
Oh,
Charan, good luck.
I'm used to that.
Oh, last night you went right for the meeting. Your work is done? All success?
Done.
Good. As soon as we exited the hotel, no Bangalore, no. This is not how it should be. There should be a lot of traffic. As soon as you come out of Bangalore road.
Please don't jinx it.
Wrong, this is wrong. We want traffic.
I don't want it. You come here, I'll sit there. We'll want traffic then.
But wait. 10 minutes later. 15 minutes later, it is like this. Red. Hope you're having a great time.
Automatic. Used to it.
But map, this is what we realized. Map is showing wrong. Wherever it is blue, there is full traffic. Wherever there is red, there is no traffic.
Slow to updation.
See, there is traffic here. It shows blue. Did you see this? We are driving US style on the right side.
It's not mirror effect.
It's not mirror effect. It's actually and legally.
You see the arrow mark?
You see this arrow mark?
Strange, dude.
You should ride here. Oncoming traffic is coming from that side. It looks like an acre. is the bike Charan is drooling over.
It's good, yeah. I like the feel when you sit on it and just when you hold
And I
it.
personally
can
feel this
imagine-
color is the best
Yeah.
in 1100. There is a
All
white one in Hyderabad.
White,
I think
it's
this
kind
looks
of white
better.
and black. White and black it is.
I think you should go with this.
I like this one. It's all black, matte black.
Problem is we're not getting a test ride here as well because this is a bike to be sold.
Sold, yeah.
No test ride vehicle available all over India. If we can get one test ride on the Ducati 1100 Scrambler, we're gonna book it. I think you're gonna book it anyway.
This is first time I'm seeing the black color in person and I love it.
There are a couple of bikes, though I recommend not to buy a bike without test riding it, without feeling the bike. I keep saying this all the time, but then there are some exclusions. There are some.
You're mad.
I mean, he's going mad over
I'm
this
not
bike
yet
since
mad.
the last.
I'm not yet mad.
Looks nice.
I think it will look good in the house, just being there.
Don't keep it in the house. Get it out.
Obviously. Obviously.
One test ride and we're gonna book it. Ducati India. In case someone by mistake is listening, one test ride we need anywhere. And at least go to the BMW showroom now. BMW Motorrad
Tusker.
India. Tusker BMW Bengaluru. If you can get a test ride, I don't think. Let's see. If we get a test ride, I'll do it.
BMW
Only thing is
might
I
get
did
test
not
rides.
get my helmet.
By the way, how was that sound?
Arey, sound was amazing. I mean, I can already feel how it's gonna ride. It's like,
I get some idea. It is like that nice, fun city bike.
See.
Only thing I'm slightly concerned is about the heat in traffic.
I mean, this is a bike you're gonna ride for maybe 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers in a day and keep it back, right? You're not gonna take for long
It's
rides.
not for like
Touring
it's
and
not,
also
it's not
nahi
like
karega.
touring and all. You can tour on it obviously on
Obviously,
any
you can
bike.
tour on any bike and you can get it to Goa. Goa streets mein street twin and scrambler. All this is gonna look next level. But like, beep. We just said a bike. We just spoke about a bike which I'm not gonna tell now. But it's already booked. It's already there. I think. I'm not sure. We just need to go pick it up. One person in the group booked it, like a surprise. Harley. Hey, Harley Davidson is also here.
Sorry, because वाड़ने parking.
We came to the BMW showroom here, Bangalore, but we don't have the GSA here for me to sit and test it. So we're gonna do one thing. There is that is a 1200, but doesn't matter. We can try it. So I'll do that. I'll sit on the 1200 GSA because seat height is almost the same, almost right, exactly the same. But we have a beautiful bike here, R90, and this is as expensive as the Ducati Scrambler, which Charan was looking
no.
at. More expensive,
More expensive,
but it's a BMW.
30 horsepower
More powerful than the Ducati.
Like,
So Charan might consider this. Might. Let's make some. Wrong thing. We came to Bangalore, dude. We shouldn't have come to
I was
Bangalore.
saying you, we get spoiled when we come to Bangalore. We should not be here.
We are done with the work, but I'm feeling something odd because we did not go to the Triumph showroom in Bangalore.
but-
Usually, wherever I go, I head to a Triumph showroom. But this
why
time I did not.
exactly?
If we go to any showroom, especially Triumph showroom, I might buy something which I don't want. You know what I'm planning to buy? I want some accessories for the street one, maybe LED lights and rear view mirrors. But we can get it in Hyderabad as well. So light.
Yeah,
Hyderabad
Triumph
जाके we'll get
here
it done.
you-
Two things were done today. BMW का काम actually flop हुआ. We had to get the GSA. We couldn't find it. They thought that the 1200 is the GSA, but it is not. It is a normal GS variant. Ducati also kind of flopped because we couldn't get a test ride for that. Other two things that I told you in the morning, Moto Asher flop. Flop ne? We are basically not interested to go. Time is almost 4:30 right now. Both ho gaya aaj. I think we'll just go to the room and chill. I thought I'll go to the veg non-veg store. At least I was interested. Charan wasn't interested. But then I dropped that plan as well because if I go there again, pakka kharcha. If I see shoes, I can't stop myself from buying them. So it's better we go back.